As a user, I have my XR headset on, and I'm either walking into my office or sitting at my desk, ready to learn with AI through the Qira'at Nexus platform. When I start, I see a message that says, "Learn with AI to study the Quran and Qira'at while improving your tajweed." Say, "Talk now" to begin. The AI can also help you read in a different maqam or assist with memorization. So I say, "Talk now," and the screen updates. A microphone icon appears, indicating that the system is ready to listen. As I speak, the icon changes to show that recording is in progress. Once I finish speaking, the AI processes my input and responds with a short reply. From there, I can continue the interaction by asking questions, selecting a specific mode, or directly starting to read the Quran. The AI then provides corrections, feedback, or engages in discussion depending on my needs. This interaction continues seamlessly until I decide to access the menu. To do this, I perform a gesture, dragging my hand from the left to the right in front of my XR headset. The sensors detect this motion and the hidden menu on the left side slides into view, allowing me to navigate through different options effortlessly. In the desktop version, I land on the Qira'at Nexus Welcome to the Platform page. Here I see a button labeled as Listen Now, which I press to begin. Once I enter the Listen Now section, I am prompted to select my mood for the day. The available options include hopeful and uplifting, or serene and meditative, and so much more. My mood selection will influence the recitations I listen to. Next, I select a reciter from a list that includes Sheikh Yasser al-Dosari, Sheikh Muhammad Siddiq al-Minshawi, and many more. I also have the option to search for a specific reciter. After choosing a reciter, I select a surah. I can start with Al-Fatiha, the first surah of the Quran, or search for a specific surah if I have one in mind. Once the surah is selected, I choose a player mode. There are currently 5 modes available: Soundwave art mode, an AI-generated artwork that responds to recitation; audio-only mode, a blank screen with just the audio; show tafsir mode displays both the ayah and its tafsir; show ayah mode displays only the ayah being recited; and nature mode plays a nature video while listening to the Quran. At any time, I can change my player mode by clicking on the bottom menu, which brings up the overlay menu for player options. The side menu available throughout the application serves as the main menu, allowing me to navigate to different sections throughout the application. Now I'm exploring the Qira'at Explorer on the desktop version. Upon entering, I see the welcome message: "Welcome to the Qira'at Explorer. Dive into the beauty of the 7 Qira'at and enhance your Quranic recitation." Below the message, there's a Start Exploring Now button, which I click. This takes me to a summary of the 7 Qira'at. Below, I see the bottom menu, which allows me to select and learn more about each Qira'ah. The options include the main 7 Qira'at: Abu Amr al-Basri, Ibn Amr al-Dimashqi, Ibn Kathir al-Makki, and more. When I select a Qira'at, I can explore detailed information, including the facts about the Qira'ah, the famous reciters, as well as additional historical and contextual insights. And there's a Listen Now button, allowing me to hear the recitation in that specific Qira'ah. I can customize my listening experience by selecting the reciter, the mood, and the surah. Once I choose a surah, I can adjust the player options and listen to the recitation, filtered specifically by the Qira'ah for an immersive learning experience. Now I'm exploring the Maqam Explorer on the desktop version. Upon entering, I see the welcome message: "Welcome to Maqam Explorer. Discover the depth of the 8 Maqams and elevate your recitation experience." Below, there's a Begin Your Journey Today button, which I click. This takes me to a summary of the 8 Maqams, where I can see each Maqam's name, the overall vibe, its common use in recitation. Next, I open the bottom menu, which allows me to filter and select a specific Maqam. For example, if I choose Maqam al-Bayati, I can explore key facts about the Maqam, additional details by clicking on Next. Famous reciters known for using this Maqam. To listen, I click on Listen Now, where I can select the mood, filter it based on the Maqam, choose a reciter, pick a surah, adjust the player options, and start listening. This provides a personalized and immersive learning experience, helping me understand each maqam in depth. Now I'm exploring the Neural Sandbox on the desktop version. Upon entering, I see the welcome message: "Welcome to the Neural Sandbox. Connect your BCI device to read your brainwaves before and after listening to the Quran." Below, there's a I am connected button, which I click to begin. A small animation of a brain appears, visually indicating that the system is processing the BCI connection. This serves as a loading GIF before transitioning to the Neural Sandbox interface. Once inside, I see a message: "Click the button to read your current brainwaves before listening to the Quran." I click Read Brainwaves, and the EEG readings start appearing on the screen, capturing my brain activity before listening. After a few moments, a pop-up message confirms: "Baseline recorded. Click the button below to read your current brainwaves while listening to the Quran." I click Read Brainwaves again, and the system records a second set of EEG readings in real time as I listen to the Quran. Next, a message appears: "One moment, please. You will soon be able to compare your brain activity before and after listening to the Quran." Once the message disappears, I see a side-by-side comparison of my before and after EEG readings, allowing me to analyze any changes in the brain activity. This is the desktop version, specifically the community workflow. Upon opening, I see a welcome message: "Welcome to the Qira'at Nexus community. Join events, discussions, competitions, and live sessions. Connect with others, update your profile and bio, and track your achievements all in one place." Below this, there's a Get Started Now button, which I click to proceed. The first page displayed is your profile, where I can manage account preferences and contributions, edit my bio, name, and email, view data such as name, email, and date joined, set preferences for my preferred Qira'at and language. At the bottom of the screen, there is a button that opens the community dashboard menu, which provides access to events, discussions, competitions, achievements, my profile, and live sessions. By clicking on any of these, I can navigate to the respective pages. For now, I select community discussions, which takes me to a page displaying the Qira'at Nexus community the Qira'at Nexus community. Below this, I see featured discussions with 2 discussions currently visible. Each includes detailed information and a join discussion button. If I decide to participate, I simply click join discussion and I'm in. Now I'm using the desktop version and exploring the Learn with AI feature. When I open this feature, I see a message: "To learn the Quran and Qira'at while improving your tajweed with AI, click the button below." The AI can also help you read in a different maqam or assist with memorization. I click the Talk Now button and the screen updates. A microphone button appears, which I then click. The icon changes, indicating that recording is in progress, and I can now speak with the AI. Here I can ask the AI anything, whether it's a question, a request for correction, or guidance on a specific maqam or the Quran in general. The AI listens and processes my input and responds accordingly. If I pause, the AI begins speaking, but I can choose to interrupt it or let it finish before responding. Additionally, if I want to read the Quran, I can do so directly, and the AI will correct me in real time if that's the mode I've selected. I can also talk to the AI to switch between different learning models or different modes effortlessly. This is the standard desktop version of the application. Upon opening the AI sandbox, I see a welcome message. Welcome to the AI sandbox. Here you can drag and drop models and datasets to create your own. Below the message is a build now button, which I click to proceed. I am then taken to a workplace featuring a large black area. This is where I can drag and drop the models. Additionally, there's a bottom menu specific to the AI sandbox workflow or the AI sandbox area, which provides two selection options. When I click on the menu, an overlay appears, allowing me to choose from models, datasets, console, and run the model. I can browse available datasets, upload my own, or share with the community. Similarly, I can explore models which can be community shared or personally uploaded, including options like speech to text AI and maqam to vec. If I select the console, I can view and edit the model's code directly. Dragging and dropping models into the workspace allows me to connect them, and the console updates with the free relevant code for further modification. To execute my model, I click the bottom triangle to open the toolbox overlay, then select run, which processes the model and displays the output. Whenever a feature or page is not yet available, a message appears informing the user. The message reads, feature unavailable, updates coming. Dear Qira'at Nexus Explorer, we're sorry this feature isn't available yet. Rest assured our team is working diligently to bring new and enriching experiences to our community. Stay tuned for exciting updates. Below the message, there's a go back to application button which users can click to return to the main interface.